Time for the ingredients. 7 cups of water. 1 can of evaporated milk, 390 milligrams. 1 can of condensed milk, 370 milligrams. 1 pack of gulaman powder. 2 twin packs of black coffee. First things first, we're going to put 7 cups of water in this large pot. Okay, now that's done. Let's set this aside. Okay, so next thing to do is to open your sachets. So let's open. Or 2 twin packs of coffee. Let's mix. After a while of mixing, we're going to boil this mixture. So, see you at the action. So, we're here at the stove and we placed our pot onto the fire, and now we're just going to wait for it to boil and then we can take it out. So, let's stir it while it's going to boil. Now that it's boiling, we're going to turn off the flame. Okay, so let's be careful. We don't want to burn ourselves. Okay, we're going to turn. We're going to put it in our little containers. Okay, I'm back. So before we put this in the fridge, we have to cool it. We're just gonna wait. So now we wait.
A few moments later.
Now we're going to put these containers to the fridge because that we have all our containers and it's completely gelatin now, we're going to take one and we're going to open it. And now we are going to put it in a plate. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Kind of messy now, but it's okay. So after cutting it into little pieces, we are going to put this in a bowl. So we're going to put it here. We are going to open these cans. So we are going to open that evaporated milk. Metal block. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay. Going to open the condensed milk. Mixture. So we are going to put the condensed milk
now we mix, mix, mix.
And now, after mixing, we are gonna put it into their individual containers. Now, we are going to put this on the fridge. Let's go and let's wait for 3 to 5 hours. Okay, so we're gonna put this onto the fridge. And after putting it in the fridge, we took it out and it's already cold. And we're going to serve it. Okay, we're gonna open it first. Whoa. Now, this is our finished product. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like and subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to see more of these videos, make sure to hit the bell icon to be notified every single time I post. And I will be making another one of these. I'm going to add another dish on my menu. Yeah. So stay tuned for that. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye!